Page number 423. Ready, start. Advisor to the administrator set aside the same subject to the conditions stop. Tenant moved an application and sought more time to remove the violation as the landlord was not cooperating. Stop. Application dismissed. High Court bracket start single judge bracket close allowed more time. Stop. Order challenged by landlord. Stop. Appeal dismissed. Stop. Landlords were interested in restoration of the order of resumption so that later on they can apply for reallotment of the site by paying 1/3 of the market price in terms of Section 11A of the 1952 Act within bracket 2001-1. 129 PLR 673 affirmed. Stop paragraph. The appeal is directed against order dated 18 May 2001 wide which the learned single judge allowed the writ petition filed by respondent number 2 Prem Kumar and quashed order dated 30 June 1993 passed by advisor to the administrator Union Territory. Stop. Chandigarh declining his prayer for extension of time. Full stop paragraph. Shri Sohan Lal bracket start predecessor of appellant Ram Murthy and pro forma respondents bracket close purchased shop site number 4445 sector 27C Chandigarh some time in 1955. Stop. He leased out the building constructed over the site to respondent number 2 sometime in 1970. Stop. After about 14 years, he filed a petition under Section 13 of the East Punjab Urban Rent Restriction Act 1949 bracket start for short the 1949 Act bracket close for eviction of respondent number 2 on the ground of non-payment of rent materially impairing the value and utility of the premises by making additions and alterations without his consent and subletting a part of the premises to his brother. Stop. Shri Sohan Lal died during the pendency of the petition and his legal representatives, that is the appellant and pro forma respondents, were brought on recalled. Stop. The rent controller Chandigarh dismissed the petition vide his order dated 15 April 1989. Stop. The record of this appeal does not show whether the appellant and pro forma respondents had challenged the order of the rent controller by filing appeal. Stop. In the course of hearing, counsel for the parties gave out that appeal and revision filed against the order of the rent controller were also dismissed by the appellate authority and the High Court respectively. Stop para. In the meanwhile, the Assistant State Officer Chandigarh initiated proceedings under Section 8A of the Capital of Punjab bracket start Development and Regulation bracket close Act 1952 bracket start as amended by Chandigarh Amendment Act number 17 1973 bracket close bracket start for short the 1952 Act bracket close for resumption of the site on the ground stop.